Drink pickle juice.
And why not?
You're having your first kiss in 2 hours.
Come on. Who am I even gonna kiss? I don't have a boyfriend.
Garlic, really?
Yes, it's really good for your immune system.
But it's not good for kissing a boy. You have 10 minutes until your first kiss.
You want a bite?
I'll pass.
Onions have tons of antioxidants.
And odor. Sardines, that's it. I'm done trying to help you.
I never asked for your help.
Hey, Brianna. I just wanted to tell you I've been in love with you since the 2nd grade. I want to kiss you so bad. Come here.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, your breath!